We're going to finish the bunkhouse today. We're going to put the siding on it. I got a little bit of trim to put up on the roof here. We put the hay hatch in so that I could load hay in there without going inside. And I'll be building that a little bit later today. Yes, I hear you. And anyway, so we're going to finish this up and we'll be in good shape for when the boys come home.
I really need to wash it off a little better.
I don't want to see the mark at all. Change this over.
Even with this back here.
Yeah. I'm going to build out here. On this side there'll be a treated piece of wood on the door. That way the hinge can screw on both of them. And the door is it's going to swing open.
Oh, it's not going to lift up.
Like that hay thing there. That way I can have stuff up here. I'm going to put that feeder, the tube here. And then the trough, a little trough right in here, and my pipe the filler tube will be right here, and I can just dump it in, and then it go down and a Y, and it will just go each way, and the little boys can just be happy. Yeah, we can do that. Actually, if we had a 2x4 to go from this wall to that wall, that's what we need. Like that. Now we know it's straight. Get your pencil and mark that right there. Hold this for a second and I'll push it up. Our ribs don't line up on the metal we put on the door, and since we got enough to do it, we're just going to take this piece out and replace it because my wife's type A. Probably be fine. Put some wood under here so it makes it rigid. And go ahead and do some riveting here. There you go.
Better.
Except for this part.
That looks much better. Now I can sleep at night.
90% of the time this door will be open anyway.
Mm-hmm. Wonder if it, rather than a chain, if we should actually somehow have a, I don't know. I mean, otherwise it could go like this in the wind.
Well, they got like door latch, hinge latch things that will lock, and then you push on it and they.
Gotcha.
So I'll have to see, you know, about those.
That looks good.
Well, the last thing we got to do is up at the top. That is on the metal, and then we're done with that, and then it'd be on the fencing and stuff like that, which will be another video. But we just wanted to get this goat barn buttoned up, finished up. We're going to seal the floor because it's plywood on the outside out here, plus they'll probably be peeing on the inside, so we're going to seal it. And if that don't work, and if there's an issue with that later on, we'll just put decking board over it or something. I don't know. Anyway, we'll do that when we get there. What we're going to do now is just, I had to buy a $18 piece of metal like that to do 2 foot on each side. So anyway, and I don't know what I'm going to do with the rest of it. Maybe
we'll build something else.
Maybe a dog house.
No, she's an inside dog.
Okay. Anyway, we're going to do this roof up here on the very top. Basically what it is on the very top is I will draw a line, then I'll put silicone up there, and wherever there's a board going across, I will screw it down. And when that's done, The sheet metal is complete on the bunkhouse. Guys, we're going to do the same thing to the other side, and then we're done. Except for the lot more. Anyway, all I got to do is put that little piece on the other side, and we're done with this. All the sheet metal's complete on the goat house. So, the next thing I'm going to show you is the hay feeder and the pellet feeder that I'm going to build for this, for the bucks. And that'll be in another video. So for now, we're going to close this out. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it. And you guys have a great day. And we'll catch you later.
There will be goat fencing or leftover chain link buttoning up this end here, and then also this little section here next to this large gate.